Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to create this elegant low bun updo, perfect for prom, weddings, or any special occasion. Now gather your hair into a low ponytail, and I'm using a bit of hair oil and a bristle brush to smooth everything out, then tightly secure it. And you want your ponytail to be tangle-free before we begin. For the bun, hold the base of your ponytail with your left hand and start twirling your ponytail to the left 2 times, sliding your hand down as you twist. Now begin wrapping the twist counterclockwise, but not too tight. You want the base of the ponytail to stay beneath your hand to form the bun shape. Now once you brought the twist around, take your ends and twist them tightly to the left and then continue wrapping. And you want to wrap tightly underneath the bun around the elastic. Now, once your ends are wrapped, hold the bun against your head with your left hand and secure the ends first. I'm using French pins. They work best. Slide them outwards through the edge of your bun, press them firmly against your head, and then slide them inwards to lock it in place. Repeat this all the way around until it feels secure. And the best part, you can dress this up. I'm adding 3 pearl magnets just for a simple detail. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll link more updo hairstyles in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.